Today, we will be unboxing and reviewing the highly anticipated Honor X50 GT. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, we are greeted with the stunning Honor X50 GT, featuring a sleek and modern design. The phone feels comfortable in hand, thanks to its slim profile and premium build quality. On the front, the Honor X50 GT features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen. It's a 1.5K panel that can refresh at up to 120 Hz. The colors are vibrant, and the brightness is excellent, making it a joy to use both indoors and outdoors. Under the hood, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Yes, it's not the latest and greatest SoC, but it still does have what it takes to offer a smooth performance. Honor has paired this flagship-level chipset with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. That means the phone has what it takes to handle resource-demanding tasks and large-sized files. In the camera department, the Honor X50 GT is equipped with a 108-megapixel Samsung HM6 primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor at the back, while the front camera uses an 8-megapixel sensor. The dual rear camera system is accompanied by a dual LED flash unit. On the software side, the phone runs on Android 13 based on Magic OS 7.2. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with a range of customization options for a personalized experience. Honor has packed a 5,800 mAh battery in the X50 GT with support for 35 watts wired fast charging via a USB Type-C port. In conclusion, the Honor X50 GT impresses with its design, performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone at a more affordable price point, this could be the perfect device for you.